guys, just a really quick video to show you how the black and white collaged journaling cards turned out. So you may not have seen it because I think it was in a live video, and I know not a lot of people watch live videos, but I pretty much had a big flat cereal box that I had opened up, and I just collaged a bunch of plain text book pages and just black and white pictures out of an old encyclopedia. Just because I had so many black and white pictures from pulling apart encyclopedias, I wanted to get rid of some. So I did a great big collage, and then I just chopped it up. Now I have already used some of the journaling tags and sent them off in orders and Happy Mail and stuff like that. But these are the few that are left. I thought I'll just show you in case you were wondering how they turned out, because it was literally gluing, pictures down, which weren't ripped up or anything. They were just cut out in squares kind of thing. So these are the ones that are left. Now this one, this was right at the edge of the box from memory. So this one, funny enough, it cut, I suppose, in exactly the right spots. When I collage on, big bits of scrap cardboard, food packaging cardboard, I just cut it up into tags at the end, and I don't really look at placement. But this one was perfect. Actually, funny enough, a few of them were perfect. I mean, it could have worked out where, their heads were cut off. In that case, I would have put something over top. But this one turned out perfect. So it was just food packaging cardboard, book pages, and the black and white pictures. Then I backed it with some coffee dyed paper, and I just did a small zigzag stitch around. Just journaling cards and that. So that's how this one turned out. Oh, and I've inked the edges as well. I've put just a bit of scrap coffee dyed fabric on top of that one. So they're all random pictures. You can see none of them are related to each other. This one, the placement was quite good as well. I did trim a little bit off the bottom of this, but it kind of turned out like a postcard. I just think they make great little journaling cards. So I did have some of some little pieces, like this one said art and architecture, that I had glued across the collage as well in random spots. This one I put a little bit of washi tape down the side there, just because there was a completely white spot and I wanted something to fill it. So before I stitched it, I just put some washi tape there. Let me see if I can join them up a little. This one had a little blank spot there as well, so I just popped a bit of music paper there and a bit of coffee dyed fabric. It's like a map or something, and this is a some sort of watercraft. Oh, so you can see this one. This one would have been glued side by side there. So I just randomly chopped. But I quite like how they turned out, actually. On this one I've just punched a hole and put a bit of scrap fabric. This one. So this one would have been on the other side of this, you can see. Bottom picture. Oh, this one. I wish this one, see, sometimes like the pictures, I like them and I wish I maybe kept them whole instead of chopping. See that picture down the bottom? And the picture up the top. So that would have been like that, but chopped apart. This piece got the horse And this piece got the rest. I'm glad it didn't chop like there so that just a horse's bum is on part of the tag. Actually, I quite like when you just chop them up and see, you know, where the bits fall. This one just a bit of scrap coffee dyed cotton. And that was a piece of Indian fabric actually. This one I had this stamping was all over it before I even glued it down. I have book page down when I stamp and that. So because it was just on that bit of book page, I did put a little bit of the same stamp here to try and blend it in. Otherwise there was a big white triangle there. And that's the other one. I like this one. And you can see the coffee dyed paper. You can see some writing kind of through it because it's printed on one side. Because, you know, I use rescued kind of papers. Anyway, that's them. I just thought I'd show you. Nothing too exciting. Oh, this one I forgot. I punched a hole and I put some little bits of string off. This is off the drop cloth, the painting drop cloth that I used to line the journal. Anyway, so I've got these. And what I might do with them is pop them in. I was just actually packing my little journal, the upholstery fabric journal. Someone purchased it last night. So I might just pop these little journal cards in with that order as a little thank you. And a few other bits and bobs. And that's it. Well, that's one way you can use up those black and white pictures and book page. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.